Welcome to the story of Ahmed's bravery, a journey of courage, kindness, and adventure.
One day, Ahmed was playing near his village, running and laughing with his friends. Suddenly, he heard a voice calling, "Help! Help!" The sound was coming from the nearby forest. Ahmed stopped and listened carefully.
I wonder what I should do.
Ahmed took a deep breath and felt a little scared. But he thought, if someone is in danger, I must help. He started walking toward the forest, brave despite his fear. Ahmed reached the place of the sound and saw a small rabbit trapped in a thorny bush. The rabbit was trembling, very scared. Ahmed said gently, "Don't be afraid, I will help you," and reached out his hand carefully to free the rabbit. Ahmed carefully extended his hand and started to move the thorns away, one by one. The thorns hurt him, but he stayed strong. Finally, the rabbit was free, jumping joyfully around Ahmed. Suddenly, the little rabbit hopped forward as if it wanted to say something. Ahmed followed it, and they entered a hidden part of the forest where beautiful flowers bloomed and a gentle stream flowed. Ahmed felt calm and happy. Ahmed sat by the stream. Thinking about what had happened, he realized that bravery isn't about having no fear. It's about helping others even when afraid. He smiled to himself and said, "Today I learned to be brave." Ahmed returned to the village with a proud smile. When his friends heard his story, they cheered for him and gathered around to listen to his adventure. Their hearts were filled with pride and courage. Ahmed looked at the rabbit at the edge of the forest and waved, saying, "I will stay brave and help anyone who needs it." The rabbit smiled before disappearing among the trees.